Good morning, kids. We will learn about he, she, and it. He to indicate boy or a man. She to indicate girl or a woman. It to indicate place, object, and animals. He is used for man, boy, father, uncle, grandfather, and brother. He is Rico and he likes to play basketball. We use he because Rico is a boy. Mr. Arman is a construction worker. We use he because Mr. Arman is a boy. She is used for woman, mother, sister, aunt, grandmother, and girl. She is Anna and she likes to play violin. We use she because Anna is a girl. Jayla is writing. She is a student. We use she because Jayla is a girl. It we use for animals, place, object, and things. It is a dog. We use it because the dog is animal. It is my school. We use it because the school is a place.